This isn't just juice, it's a bioactive powerhouse. Carrots are rich in carotenoids like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These compounds protect your eyes, boost immunity, and fight free radicals. Carrots also contain polyacetylenes like falcarinol, a natural anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer compound. Now let's talk about beetroot. Pouring the beetroot juice into the glass, it carries nitrates which turn into nitric oxide. This helps relax blood vessels, improve circulation and stamina. Beetroot also brings betalains like betanin. These are powerful antioxidants that detox the liver and reduce inflammation. And don't forget its phenolics, ferulic and gallic acid, which protect your cells from oxidative stress. And then we have ginger, another root with a lot to offer. Loaded with phenols like gingerols, shogaols, and zingerone, ginger fights pain, eases digestion, and kills harmful microbes. It's also a good source of terpenes like zingiberine, which strengthen immunity and calm inflammation. When you combine these three roots, you get a nutrient-dense drink that supports overall health and well-being. The bioactive compounds in this juice create a synergy that offers numerous benefits. First, it cleanses the liver, which is essential for detoxification and metabolism. A healthy liver leads to better digestion, nutrient absorption, and waste elimination. Second, it strengthens the blood and improves circulation. This means better oxygen and nutrient delivery to cells and tissues throughout the body, which is vital for energy production and overall vitality. Third, it supports digestion by providing enzymes and compounds that aid in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Fourth, it boosts skin health. The antioxidants and vitamins in this juice protect the skin from damage and promote a youthful appearance. Fifth, it enhances immunity. The antibacterial, antiviral, and immune-boosting properties of the juice help the body fight off infections and diseases. And lastly, it protects against aging and disease. The anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties of the juice reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote longevity. Incorporating this juice into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to improve your health and well-being, whether you're an athlete looking to enhance your performance or someone wanting to support their overall health. This juice is a great choice. It's important to use organic produce whenever possible to avoid harmful pesticides and chemicals. So next time you're at the grocery store, pick up some carrots, beetroot, and ginger and make this juice at home. You can adjust the recipe to your liking and get creative with different combinations. Don't settle for ordinary juice when you can have extraordinary health benefits. And if you're enjoying my content, please subscribe. I have lots more videos coming up with valuable health insights. Also, feel free to drop your comments and questions below. Your engagement is appreciated. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.